My project is especially sponsored project, in which my role is for design and development in fixturing, multi-gauging fixture for bearing cap, Ford crankshaft bearing cap. The company name is Professional Engineering, where I work right now. This is a kind of introduction. What is a gauge and what is a fixture, like what we are working right now in. We use especially pneumatic gauges. Pneumatic gauges. So the main idea was to provide an multi-gauging picture to measure the important dimensions, parameters of bearing cap for mounting. Yeah. Literature survey. From basic metrology, I started.
Excuse me, wait for a while. I think your voice is breaking continuously. Todkar sir, is he audible to you?
Which we have challenged from Ford was to make an fixture, multi-gauging fixture for their various parameters for a bearing cap. Hello.
Yes, continue.
Yes, like it was having length, controlled length in some 10 microns and internal diameter about 50 microns. So they will be needing multi-gauging fixture for VMC after VMC program after VMC what we say machining for checking purpose. So I started from basic metrology and all that literature review. These were the books I referred. Book means for in network searching. Objectives to inspect the different parameters of the component. It is going to be designed, make the process of calibrating and checking, design or fabricate the bearing cap measuring multi-gauging fixture. Okay. I started the work of this project with the literature survey and all. So I will explain this design right now. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, we are listening.
I will take this image as a base and I will explain my project. Is it fine, sir? Or I should explain some more things? Okay. So over here right now you can see the green part which is base body. Yellow part is for probe and it's LVDT probe and what we say for holding them. Over here you can say like half circle. That is for probe anvil protection. Over there you can see 3 probes right now for the half circle. The logic is to measure the arc for 3 different points and out. Sorry. Hello. Okay. To collect 3 points of the arc and display the whole diameter. And other one is there are extreme left side, right side. There are 2 probes. The bottom one is for center distance of the holes, and the upper one is for total distance, which is 1134. mm, and which is having 13 micron tolerance. And the left one is for we can see for z-axis, we can say, that are for the thickness of bearing cap. So, and the output is in electronic unit Precipatch 4.4, which is totally electronic based. Wait a second, sir. Someone is. So that's all the project is. So we have used OHNS over here, which is quite good for what do we say? It is good metal for gauging purpose, you can say. It has initial hardness, very good hardness, and validity probe are within half micron. Travel is within half micron. For anyone have any question, I will explain it on the basis of questions. Okay, sir. Components, the base body, probe holders and locators, probe protector guide, plane plug gauge, validity probe, morpho ceramic, and given LM rail and block, electronic unit for output display, which I said like Precitouch 4.4. The processes were all in house over here, like blank cutting, turning, milling, drilling, jig boring, hardening, normalizing, blackwoodizing, IDOD grinding, surface grinding, and lapping. Working in mass production system, like I said, this multi-gauging fixture will be implemented in front of vertical milling machine, like BMC. For this fixture will measure various parameters of the component bearing cap, like total length, width, center distance between two drilled holes, and for locking bolts. And most important, it will check the internal radius arc at 3 points. Operator will load, this is the sequence of operation, SOP we can say. Operator will load the component. All the probes will measure their respective parameters. Measured parameters will be displayed on electronic system. If the component parameters are within tolerances, fixture will mark it as okay, or the component will go back for rework. Operator will unload the component and go for the next. So this was the last what we did in the colleges. This applications, this multi-gauging fixture, like I said, is designed and manufactured only for well-known organization named Mahindra and Mahindra for their manufacturing plant, where mass production of IC engine are being manufactured for commercial vehicles. This fixture is specially for IC engine component called bearing cap for measuring its various components, like I discussed before. Conclusion: this study developed a machine variation system for the invention of any kind of manufacturing process. The design and system is done with the help of SolidWorks software. Good.